Hi! In this new video, we're going to introduce the repeater field, the latest addition to calculated fields form. The repeater solves a problem that has been in the form-building world for a long time: how to let your visitors submit a variable number of related entries without forcing you to guess in advance how many they will need. With the repeater, you define a set of fields once, and your visitor can add or remove rows of those fields as they need. Think of a registration form where each attendee has their own name, email, and preferences, or a quote request where the customer lists multiple items, each with description, quantity, and price. Adding the repeater to your form is straightforward. You drop it into the form builder, drag the fields you want inside it, and configure a few simple options like the maximum number of rows and the buttons your visitors will use. The repeater works seamlessly with everything else in calculated fields form. You can include repeater data and calculations in notification emails and let it interact with conditional logic, all using the same tools you already know. A few quick notes on what the repeater doesn't do. It can't contain another repeater, other container fields, data source fields, or page break controls. These restrictions keep the repeater focused and predictable. That's it. The repeater is available now in both the free and commercial editions of calculated fields form. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future updates and new features in calculated fields form. See you in the next video.